In this video, we are going to see how we can rename any photos or videos that you capture on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, just open up your photos wherever you have clicked a couple of videos or a couple of pictures, and you click on the library or either to the collection. And let's say that we want to rename a video. So we have these different categories here. You will swipe through all of this, and there is a video folder. You open that up and you basically select any video that you want to rename. For example, I want to rename this one. Now, if we click on these three dots on the top right hand corner, you will not find any option to rename it from here. Also, you will not find any option to rename it from anywhere. So instead, what you need to do is a way around it. Now, this is not the actual option to rename this specific video, but it will transfer this specific video to files, and this renames the file name as well, or video name as well. So what we do is we click on the bottom left hand corner where you see this share icon, and from here we click on save to files. So let's say we select this one, we click on save to files, and this one is an image file. So let's say we click on this one, we click on save to files, and this one is a screen recording. So what I will do is, let's say that this is my test recording. I'll save it here, and now when I want to find it, you will just head over to the files section. We click on this little search that we find on our main desktop screen. You click on that and you select files. You will select this files folder, and you will see all of your videos renamed just like so in the files folder. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.